account, menu, or what you will find there. Depending how big is your screen, you will find the menu as an icon or extended. If you use small screen and click on the menu icon, it will unfold. To close it, click on the icon which changed to small cross now. Here you can see the menu. These two icons are for notification and messages. Network section basically describes what the ARGENTAS system is. In economics, you will get more info on how they want to run it, and in banking, they show their plans for extending it to some services, including wallet. Final roadmap is the timeline. Check the steps and dates. Usually no one reads this part and then asks stupid questions why the crypto is not floated yet. In general, it seems to be a copycat of the initiative queue with some differences. If you want to learn more, check this playlist with tutorials regarding Q. There is one specific playlist comparing it to the Pi network and similar, what could help in understanding how it differs and how it should work, and why it is for us more interesting.